Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to put an image inside a shape in Google Slides in your Android or iOS mobile phone. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and let's get started with the video. First, you have to open your Google Slides and make sure you are logged in into your account. As you can see, I have already logged in into my account. Now simply open a presentation where you want to add an image inside a shape. Now simply click on your presentation and click on edit slides. Now in here, tap the plus button and choose shape. From here you can choose the shape option. I'll simply choose this one right here, and once the shape is in your slide, tap it, then hit paint bucket option right here at the bottom of the screen. Now from the menu you can simply choose what you want to add to your shape. Choose image from photos or camera if you just want to snap one, and it will automatically come up on your shape. Adjust by resizing or moving the shape until the image looks just right to you. And that's it guys, you have placed an image perfectly inside a shape using just the mobile version of Google Slides. Super useful for creative slides or collages. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more Google Slides tips, and let me know in the comment section which shape you'd use the most. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.